Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to unblock people on TikTok, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To unblock someone on TikTok, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're on TikTok, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of your TikTok profile. A pop-up menu appears. From here, tap Settings and Privacy. Now, a new screen appears with various settings options. From here, tap on Privacy. Under the privacy settings, scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts. A list of users you have blocked will appear. Scroll through and find the person you want to unblock. Now, tap on the Unblock button next to their profile name. The user is now unblocked and can interact with you again on TikTok. Both you and your friend will see each other's posts.